Hello guys, I'm Elena Petrova. I'm a Russian gray hat hacker. I am come back again with new tutorial. Last video tutorial I was not finished because of duration was so long. I said that I will make another video tutorial using the same card information. That means I will show how to cash out using card that I brought. So, in today's carding tutorial, what I will show is there any accurate method by which, if the terminal is set up properly, carding will be 100% successful. How should your terminal be set up, or what configuration should be done on the terminal, so that carding transactions get accepted any payment gateway on your using device? Now I'm showing. The website we purchased the card from is BlueCC, and the information of the card we bought from them is this. And using this card information, we will do carding. Here showing online purchases, subscription, digital services, and more. I will show you by purchasing a few digital subscriptions using this card so that you get an idea. According to the BlueCC information, this card is a USA card. So based on that, my IP setup is such that I am connected to a USA IP from here. Now we will check the IP. So look, this is showing our USA IP. Now you will see that it shows 90% of our accuracy, but we need to make this 100%. We have identified exactly where the problem is. Look here. According to my IP time, it should be America, specifically the Chicago location. But the system I'm using shows the Russia, Moscow time zone, because I am physically in Russia. That's why I need to change my time zone to match my IP location. Then we will get 100% anonymity. When we achieve 100% anonymity, and when that 100% anonymity is in place, then in reality, any payment gateway, even the most secure ones, will be forced to accept it, even if it is stolen credit card information. Many times it is seen that we don't understand IP configuration. We don't understand the terminal setup. The system is set up one way, the IP is different, and the browser configuration is different. This is why problems occur. We have taken a USA IP. Now we will check the system time and system setup. How I do this, because I am in Russia. So the region needs to be changed. After changing the region to America, the time zone also needs to be set accordingly. The time zone shows GMT 0600, so it should be set based on this time zone. Please revisit the time settings and verify that both the time zone and region are correctly configured. Now we will check our level of anonymity. If it reaches 100%, then we can proceed with carding safely. Let's check our anonymity. So, there are many payment gateways that check the system time and the system IP, and then block the payment gateway because I'm setting on Russia and put stolen credit cards information for purchase, often blocked based on country-wise IP. That's why we are not doing carding. That's why for successful carding, you must do this work. Whatever location of the card information your vendor provides, you need to set an IP from that same location and then configure your system according to that IP. And for carding, you will need different email accounts, so using just one email is not possible. That's why I will use a random email. Today I will buy a few subscriptions. I am mainly an anime lover. I really enjoy watching anime, including anime series and anime movies. Today, using this card, I will purchase subscriptions on 1 or 2 anime websites. You can hear that my English is very weak. I'm not good at the English language. That's why, to help me learn English, I will show purchasing a subscription from such a website. I need to create an account like this, so I'll use my random email to create the account. After creating the account, I will select the annual subscription. No matter what amount is shown, there's nothing to worry about, because we will be making the purchase using a stolen card. So, we will go to the email that BlueCC provided us. Now, from the card information that BlueCC gave us. I will use the zip code, then the state, and then the card information. After that, I will click Agree and Subscribe button. So, guys, you can see that they have confirmed my card and subscription. That means my yearly subscription is done. Now, I will check my email inbox. Now I can watch my favorite anime movies and series as I like. This was a $79 payment, which I made using my stolen card. In the email inbox, they have already sent me the bill statement, which we can see. Now we will buy a subscription on another anime website so that you can understand that the setup I have done has achieved 100% anonymity. Now, whichever payment gateway I use this card on, the card will be approved. Now we will go to another website called Retro Crush Anime. On this website as well, we will sign up using my random email. For note, once your card gets accepted on any website, then no matter how many payments you make with that card afterward, there will be no problem. Make sure to use all the card information. Then the chances of the card being accepted are higher. For example, the full name and password can be whatever you want. After signing up, the website sends a confirmation OTP to my email inbox. Let's check. Retro Crush sent me an OTP. It's verified now. Here as well, we will take the annual subscription because our card has more than $2,000 available, so there's no issue with the payment. Fill in the full card information such as full name, card number, month, year, CVV, country, city, address, and postal code. That means you must enter all the information that the BlueCC website provided for the card, then the card acceptance rate will be higher. Now click the Submit button. For note, you can fill out the form completely, but when setting up the terminal, you must make sure that your terminal has 100% anonymity. Your browsing location and IP must match. And for the location whose SSN or fulls you have, you must use an IP from that location, and your system's time zone must be synchronized with that location's IP. Check email inbox and see RetroCush send you confirmation email for subscription. Congratulations! It is now subscribed. Now we can watch everything on Retro Crush, including live TV, anime movies, and series, because we have taken a 1-year premium subscription. Now we will take a subscription to a language club. Do you know about Talkio.ai? If you don't, you'll find out now. It is an artificial intelligence platform where you can practice languages. You can already hear that my English is very poor, so that's why I'm going to buy a subscription now. Now I will enter my email address and password for creating an account. For note, the card hasn't been declined anywhere, so set up your terminal the same way I showed. Then, wherever you use this card, it will be accepted. Now we will take a $16 subscription. They said there is a 7-day free trial, so no payment will be charged today, but they will take the card information. If there is no balance on the card, it will be declined, and then you can try another card. Now I will enter my card information that I got from BlueCC. Fill out the form and then click the Start Trial button. Congratulations, guys. The subscription is done. Now you understand, right? With one card's information, we tested charging it at the same time on multiple payment gateways and multiple websites. So, you can see that if your carding setup is done properly, if you configure your PC or device correctly, and achieve 100% anonymity, configuring the device according to the card information, setting the time zone, and configuring the IP, then your card will be accepted everywhere. So, guys, that's all for today's video tutorial. See you in another video with some new tips and tricks. Till then, take care. Bye.